What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another Matchbox 5-pack. You know, I bought 10 of these 5-packs at Aldi Süd here in Germany for €5 each, which is a pretty good deal. And last time I showed you the European Motorway set, which was a really good set. And today we have Italian Roads, which is also a pretty good set. Let's take a quick look at the packaging and we try to minimize the glare, and we see our cover model is the Lamborghini Gallardo in the police version. And here on the side you can see the models, and you can see, well, we have 3 Alfa Romeos, 1 Lamborghini and 1 Maserati. So let's take a look at the models, and we start at the bottom with the 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale, now in white. So yeah, it's like a pearl white, looks pretty good, pretty standard. We get nice details on the front, pretty crisp, and on the back. I thought there were a lot more versions out, but turned out we have only 3 versions so far. Green, now white, and red. And I guess that is intentionally, because guess what? These colors basically are yeah, the Italian flag. So yeah, there we have our 2023 Alfa Romeo Tonale. And the next one, I think it's only the second time we see this one here. This is the 2004 Maserati MC12. Now completely in blue, looks quite good. We get a blue base, blue wing, everything in blue. A little bit of details on the front, some headlights and the Maserati logo, and some teeny tiny details on the back. That's it. But I mean, it doesn't look bad. I think the first version is the better version. I mean, it depends on, but yeah, not bad. So this one also goes into the parking lot as we take a look at the cover model, the Gallardo as a police version. Yeah, comes, as you can see, with the light bar on top, so you can only, let's say, bring it as a police car, or we also seen this one as a follow me car from an airport. Which airport is this? Can't read that, unfortunately. It's a little bit too small. We have also seen it as a Mattel global security car. I think there's a ton more versions out. I only have 2 more. I have it as a French police car, and I think this deco is Great Britain or Australia, maybe. So as you can see, all the versions I showed you have the black 5 spokes. It's the first time I have it with the silver 5 spokes. I mean, unfortunately, it doesn't have headlight details, but we get a lot of deco on the side. Blue tinted windows. I mean, we get a blue light bar, but yeah, blue tinted windows. I don't know. I mean, it's definitely not a bad version. So let's put this guy into the parking lot as we take a look at the next Alfa, which is the 1967 Alfa Romeo Duetto. And yeah, this one looks pretty cool. Kind of a black metallic livery with a red interior, and yeah, that's a really nice combination. I also like these pretty simple wheels, matches the car pretty well. And of course, we take a look at the other two versions we have seen so far. The first one was this guy here, classic Alfa Romeo red, and we've seen it in this, yeah, kind of mint color, which is also pretty nice. All of these come with some headlight details, and they also have license plates. This one is saying Spider Roma. This one also, and our new one also. So into the parking lot it goes. And our last model for today is this guy here, the Alfa Romeo 4C, which is kind of a cool car, in my opinion. The thing is, Hot Wheels has also a version of this model, and it's one of the, in my opinion, worst Hot Wheels castings ever, because the Hot Wheels version has a huge wheel in the back. It's way too big, and it looks, you know, this car is pretty short, and it looks completely off. I mean, this one is pretty nice. Unfortunately, I don't have any other version. From when is this guy? 2014. So I guess there's a ton of versions out there. I don't have any other. And I mean, if you take a look at the packaging, you can guess that they don't have too many Italian castings right now that they are using, because we have three Lamborghinis in this set. So yeah, that was the last one. And of course, we take a quick look at all of our models. As always, I'm picking a favorite here. Focus. It's between these two, and I think, you know, I'm not too much into cars from the 1960s and 70s, but this version here is pretty nice. I think the color combinations wise, it's so clean. I love the wheels. Yeah, nice version. And with that said, and the camera not focusing, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.